This is everything you need to know to make a sponge boat. Hey, my name's Nisha. If you're looking for something fun for the kids at home, these crafty sponge boats are a great idea to keep the family entertained for hours. Let's get into it. And there you have it, everything you need to know to make a sponge boat. Don't forget, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.